Clipping your baby's nails can be a challenging task, especially when they are so tiny and sensitive. However, it is essential to trim their nails regularly to avoid them scratching themselves. The best time to clip your baby's nails is when they are calm or sleeping. This way, they will not be moving around, making the process easier and safer. Invest in a pair of nail clippers designed for babies. These clippers are smaller, have rounded tips, and are easier to control than adult-sized ones. Safety First nail clipper designed for a comfortable grip, ensuring precise control during use. It features a built-in safety guard to prevent overcutting and protect delicate skin. It provides a clean, smooth cut with minimal effort, ideal for both babies and adults. Make sure you have plenty of light to clearly see your baby's nails. This will help you avoid accidentally clipping the skin. Sit comfortably with your baby in your lap or on a safe, stable surface. Ensure you have good control over your hands and your baby. Hold your baby's hand gently but firmly, ensuring they feel secure and comfortable while preventing sudden movements. This will help you maintain control and avoid accidental nicks. Trimming nails after a warm bath is ideal because the nails become softer and easier to trim, reducing the risk of jagged edges. Royal Angel's Baby Nail Trimmer works quietly, ensuring a calm and comfortable experience for both baby and parent. It is easy to hold and use, offering a comfortable grip for parents. It is lightweight and travel-friendly, making it convenient for on-the-go use. Instead of trying to cut the whole nail in one go, trim small, gentle clips. Take your time and focus on one nail at a time. By following these steps, you can confidently trim your baby's nails while ensuring their safety and comfort.